And who knows, baka ikaw yung isa sa makakontribute into reversing climate change.
Right.
Baka ikaw yung makapag-discover ng new treatment techniques or cures to several diseases that we have today. Malay mo, ikaw yung makadiscover ng bagong Bitcoin.
Right.
Tapos, when you pursue a science degree, don't just gain knowledge from your textbooks or from the fundamentals taught to you by your professor. You gain lots of life skills na unknowingly na-apply mo na pala once na nagtrabaho ka. You have your critical thinking, problem solving, again, patience, resilience, etc. Magugulat ka lang na na-apply mo pala siya once na nasa real world ka na.
Yeah.
Ano yan, magagamit mo yan for you to become a valuable asset sa kahit anong career na puntahan mo.
Yeah.
So it prepares you to face the real world, makes you employable, and it opens to a lot of possibilities.
Yeah.